This is the T-Mobile Phone Pro, and let me show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So it's a very simple thing to do. Firstly, you gotta launch the default phone dialer app. Next, over here at the top right corner, just make sure you are on any of the sections over here. Tap on these three vertical dots, settings, then enter caller ID and spam category, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the filter spam calls toggle, and that will effectively mean that from now on all suspected spam and robotic calls will be successfully filtered out, therefore will not bother you. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.